Whoa, on YouTube, it's been a while. Right, today we are going to be sorting out the boost gauge holder. It's been looking like this for a little while. Now it looks a bit like this. And yeah, today's goal is to fix that and make it more permanent, better. Right, let's roll. So, CAD template, metal of the base of our boost gauge holder, what's probably going to end up being the holder for the boost gauge. Have a little test fit. Basically what I'm thinking. Maybe even a little bit of double-sided tape underneath. We can have the boost gauge sitting kind of nice right about there. This is about where the audio completely failed, but not to worry, the camera works up to it. Oh wait, nice focusing, mate. Yeah, the metal is melted. It's not pretty, but it's melted. I also don't think I opened the CO2 bottle enough, because it just looks like there ain't enough CO2 getting to the welds. Either way, that'll do. Boost gauge, what do you expect? It's not going to fall apart, so yeah, we're rolling with this. Sweet. Bottle of CO2. The first piece is stuck together. To be fair, I actually think it'll kind of stay in place quite nicely. Let's get the next piece. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking something like that. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking, the finished product. I honestly don't know if it's going to end up just looking down a bit too much, but I think let's just weld it together and see what it's like in real life. Yeah, let's crack on. And the award for the most innovative clamping method goes to, yep, I'm pretty proud of that. Pretty ghetto, pretty much works. And what could you ask for? Boom. This is the point where you ignore the terrible focus and the pretty dodgy looking welds, but oh, is that a bit of penetration at the bottom? And oh, we got some nice heat lines. Oh yeah. Look at that beast right there. And are you ready? Gonna light it up. Oh yeah. That boost, bro. Straighten it up a little. Just a little. Yeah, that counts. Now, this is actually a legit boost gauge holder for many reasons. One, it's a metal, it is solid, and it is not going anywhere. Yes, the wires do need a tidy, but that's beside the point. let's get it in some colour. As you can see, seriously ghetto painting technique. Heat gun, make stuff warm because it's cold outside. Heat up cans, do a shake, apply in far too thick amounts. Now, obviously, colour was an important choice, so I went for this tasteful, textured, sand-coloured paint. Alright, I didn't choose it, it was the only paint I actually had in the shed, but yeah, it is horrific in every way. So I'll have to fix that later, but it'll do for now. Oh yeah, you ain't ready, YouTube. Just look at that sandy goodness. So, thank you for watching. This has been the boost gauge holder install and build. If you want more content on the Rowdy and or the Golf or the Transporter in the background over there, smash the subscribe button, like this video if it lights you up like them gauges, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.